Text and captions help your audience understand your video better. Here's how to add them in CapCut. Tap text at the bottom, then choose Add Text. Type your text. And adjust its position on the screen. You can change the font, color, size, and style using the menu below. Try to use simple fonts for better readability. To add caption, place the text at the exact moment someone is speaking. Adjust the text duration by dragging its edge. Good text placement makes your video more engaging and easier to watch.